We all know that rice is a staple food, and almost 90% of the world population consumes rice. Almost everybody eats rice. So the demand for rice is always there, and it is growing even more. In this video, we are going to be talking about how you can start profitable rice retailing business. Yes. And is it profitable? Yes. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you something I shared with someone in this video. So someone came to tell me that, okay, so she just finished she came to tell me that she's relocating and she's looking for something to do, and that rice came to her mind, that how can she start? Is this something she can start? And I was like, yes, it's something you can start, and it is really profitable. And I told her about someone, a guy who finished his NYSC, and after his service, that was the business he started. He started with selling rice. And I can tell you that, do you know, from his rice retailing business, he was able to build a house. Oh yes. See, when people are telling you these things, sometimes you know, most of us, we don't believe it, but it is true. It depends on you. It depends on you. You even still see another person doing that same thing, and you know the person is not achieving a lot. So that's why you need to be on this channel. That is why you need to be on this channel. So I will encourage you, subscribe to this channel. If business is something you're interested in, something you like, it's something you want to do someday, or you're already a business owner that is looking for business growth strategy, you are in the right channel. So I encourage you to subscribe. You see another person that is still selling that same provision business you're selling, and the person someone was telling us something in a group where we belong, that he was able to buy a bike in just 1 year of starting a provision business. And some people are like, you know how much is a motorcycle now? Do you know how much is motor? You just go to the market, go and ask how much is motorcycle now. A motorcycle now is really expensive, $1 million plus. Even want to use the second hand, it's even still a lot of money, more than $500,000. So this guy was saying that he was able to, in just 1 year, he was able to get a motorcycle for himself. And some people were like, it's a lie. You are lying. Provision business, no profit. See, it depends on you. And he was like, it depends on you. And another thing that matters is your location. It depends on your location. If you're in a good location, forget it. You will make profit and you will see your profit. And if you are someone that know how to manage your resources very well, you will achieve results. So now I told her yes, because as I know someone that have done it, and I know what the person has achieved through it. And she was like, how can she start? So if you are somebody like this that is asking this question, how can you start? I am here for you. So the first thing for you to do is for you to find a reliable supplier. And you know that where you can get your rice very, very cheap is from the northern states, because that's where they plant rice. So get a reliable supplier from the northern states, so you can source for your rice from there, because it is cheap, so that when you bring it in, you will be able to sell at a competitive price. So now for you to start, just like I said, first of all is getting a supplier, a reliable supplier. Then the next thing you should now consider is, what do people in your area need? What kind of rice do they buy? Is it only foreign rice? Is it only local rice, or the two? So just know mostly what moves there more. You understand? So if it's the two, you can combine the two. So you can start with 1 bag of local rice. You can start with one bag of foreign rice. And then you know that the local rice are in grades. There are still some people that, you know, you since it's just one particular product you're selling, you have to make your audience broad. Do you understand? So you cannot say, okay, you're going into just one particular product, which is your rice business, and you now say you want to deal on only foreign rice. You're reducing the size of your audience, of your customers. You understand? So meaning that you only sell to those that can afford foreign rice, and with that you're minimizing your profit and you're minimizing your reach to other people. So since it's just one thing you're focusing on, you're dealing on rice, and you should make it broad. Your target audience should be broad. Do you understand? I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Your target audience should be broad. It should not be limited. So you can get foreign rice for those that can afford. You can get your local rice. The grade 1 is grade 1. When you find local rice that if you see it, you think it's foreign rice. So you can get that one for those ones that people that like local rice. Now our local rice is very nutritious. People that want that local rice, and it's also not as expensive as a foreign rice. Then you can also get the grade 2 local rice, which is less costlier than the grade 1 local rice. Now by doing this, you've made your target audience to be broad. You've broadened it, and as you've broadened it, you've also broadened you've maximized your profit margin. So this is what you should consider, and it is very important. Please take note of this that I just told you now. And now the next one is location. I always say this that if God help you and you are lucky and you get a good location in business, you've solved like 60% of your problem. You solve like 60% of the problem. The rest now have to do with you. You solve like 60% of the problem. So when you're getting a location, pray for direction, because sometimes you cannot even know. You see that place that you're even looking at, that oh, that place, something will not say, might even be the place that might be best for you. So just pray for direction to get a good location. Then another thing again is marketing. Use different means of marketing. Let people know. What I always talk about, what mass marketing is very important. Let people know. And then also your social media, you should not be there for fancy. It's not just about you looking at other people's activity. Post your own activity, post your own business. Let people know what you do. So this is how you can start. And once you can put all these things in place, you are good to go. So this is how you can start your rice retailing business. And also I supply rice. I base in Sokoto State. I supply rice. So if you're looking for a reliable rice supplier, you can reach out to me, and you're sure of getting a very good quality rice depending on the one you want. See you in my next video.